Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G60s, and today I will show you how you can easily boot this device into safe mode. And to get started, all you need to do is hold the power key. From here, once you see your boot options, hold power off. This will bring up this message right here, reboot to safe mode, and all you need to do is simply confirm it by tapping on OK. Now once the device boots up into safe mode, which it has just done, you can see that there's a little message right here, safe mode. This will stay on the screen as long as you are in this mode. And additionally in this mode, things like widgets don't function at all. And if we have some kind of apps installed on here, so apps meaning the apps that didn't come installed with the device but were installed by you, those apps will be completely unable to run in this mode, so we can troubleshoot it right now. Now you can quickly discern which app can run and which one cannot when in this mode, because apps that can run will just look normally, like basically every app that you can see right here, but apps that cannot run will have this grayish monochrome look to them. So those apps, even if you try to open them up, it will give you a pop-up at the bottom. Once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you need to do is simply hold the power key and select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will be back in a normal mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android in a normal mode. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.